Also in general there are many, but in my view, one of the important key technology is 6G sensing in combination with AI, with network-based AI, with device-based AI. Because this gives a completely new possibility to go in new business cases and new business opportunities because of sensing. Yeah, one6G is a very young association actually, and tries to bring together not just the ICT community, also verticals, with the scope to develop together. And the focus is really together key technologies and a good understanding what are required for 6G. Not just from a communication point of view, also from the need of the verticals and their business interests. They can join all of the work items, they can contribute easily, they can set up new work items, they can build also test beds, and I'm also chair of working group 4, responsible for test beds, and these guys can really come, and they did already in the last 3 years. They can show what they want to have in the future 6G realizations. Yeah, as I said, sensing is still one, but there are many more. It's also, we're working on terahertz, on sub-terahertz technologies. We're working on in-network computing. It's also very important on AI. And recently we started work items on digital twin and robotics. Because we believe that robotics is one of the, I don't want to say killer application, but at least one of the biggest invention what we have in the next decade. I'm really looking for it, and if you check the exhibitor list, you see always the term robotic. For sure, many of the robotic cases here are just for, let's say, attractive, to make some booths more attractive, but some are really serious. And robotic, as I said, will come, not just in Industry 4.0, not just for logistics, also maybe in public environments, maybe in health, because we have in all countries, we have a lack of personnel, of people helping in hospitals, in care, but also for people at home. And robotic could help here. In any case, it must not be a humanoid robot. It could be also a simple delivery robot or just a specialized kitchen robot. 6G will also look to new frequency bands, for instance 10 gigahertz or 13 gigahertz, something like this. And for this you need new antennas. And due to the higher frequencies, the coverage range is usually shorter, and then you can only mitigate this shorter coverage range with better antennas. Also, the density of people can only be supported by massive MIMO, cell-free MIMO. By the way, it's also a work item in one6G, to point with a beam, with a dedicated beam to any of the connected users. But also for sensing, you need a big grid and a dense grid of beams to sense the environment in a very detailed manner. As you said, robotic is still here, where robotic is not an OT, it's not a factory exhibition like Hannover next in April, but still here robots are a topic. And also AI. AI is really becoming a more and more hot topic, and 6G is also one of the key features in 6G is really AI, but not AI just to improve the network, also to provide a service to end users based on the capabilities of the network. And this is what I see here, that this is a trend what 6G must follow.